Hi, it's Marvin. Today I've got a 2-hour Morrison's block paying £41. It's a sunny Sunday morning, it's 18 degrees, not as hot as the other week. It's quite nice out actually. For some reason all of the Morrison's blocks today have been shifted forwards half an hour. Not sure if it will make any difference to where we get sent. We'll see after we've loaded up. See you in a bit. So we've got 5 stops. We've got a 9, a 2, a 9 that's age verified, a 4 and a 13. Going through Cheltenham up to Bishop's Cleeve, which is a little bit outside of Cheltenham. Let's go.
The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up.
Hello, got your Morrison's for you. There we go. Cheers. Have a nice afternoon. So I've worked out the problem with the scanning. They've updated the scanner to do this thing where you can scan more than one parcel at once, mainly for logistics I think. But it means the scanner doesn't work close to the barcode anymore. It's very odd. So you have to scan from a long way off and then it picks up the number. This is 14. I have to ask the year you were born. Right, all done, thank you. Have a nice afternoon. Had a nice chat with the traffic warden while I was trying to scan those bags. It's a good way to make sure you don't get a ticket. He knows I was delivering, so it was good. Off to the next one. Hello.
Amazing, thank you so much.
It's fun with that road close, isn't it?
Oh my gosh, it's so annoying. I know.
Went that way and then...
Yeah, and it's hard enough to park here and then you have to go miles around just to find it. I saw you on the map and I was like, oh, is it caught by that drama?
So it would normally be one way that way, wouldn't it?
Exactly.
Yeah. Thanks, have a nice afternoon. Hello, I've got Morrison's delivery for number 22.
Amazing. Can you leave it on the doorstep? I'm literally coming around the corner.
Yep, sure. There's a couple of things that I think are frozen, so I'll leave those on the right-hand side so you can put them away first. Okay, Keith.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, bye. This is a cold one. They're all cold. So that was a 2-hour Morrison's block, finished in 1 hour 45 minutes. We'll call it 2 hours, it's still £20 an hour. So we had a little bit of problem with the scanning. They've updated the scanning, so when you're doing logistics, you should be able to scan all of your boot and find the parcel that you need, but it doesn't work for Morrison's. I know where the parcels are, I just want to scan them one at a time, but it won't scan close up. It's really odd. You have to scan from far away. Anyway, if you enjoyed this ride-along video, give me a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to Marvin's Flex Tips for more tips and tricks to do with Amazon Flex. See you next time.